Next topic is trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. There are 6 complementary angles. First one is sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Next, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. This is second one. Third one, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Fourth one, cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Fifth one, secant 90 minus A is equal to cosecant A. Sixth one, cosecant of 90 minus A is equal to secant A. These are the trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. We can use these formulas and we can do next exercise. Next, exercise 21C. First problem. These are the MCQs. Here sin square A plus sin square 90 minus A value we have to find out. Sin square A plus, here sin square of 90 minus A. Complementary angle we have to use. What is the complementary angle? Sin of 90 minus A is equal to cos A. This formula we have to apply here. Here sin 90 minus A means cos A. Cos square A plus A is equal to, here sin square A plus cos square A. Formula is 1 using identity. This value is 1. Hence proved. Next problem is B. In a triangle ABC, secant of C plus A by 2 value we have to find out. Here ABC triangle we can use. Triangle ABC. In a triangle, sum of angles are 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Our problem C plus A. Here C plus A we have to write left side and B we have to send right side. 180 minus B. Next our problem denominator 2 is there. Here both sides we have to divide 2. A plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus B by 2. Here 2 1 just 2 90 it will come. 90 minus B by 2. A plus C by 2. Here secant we have to apply both sides. Secant of A plus C by 2 is equal to secant of 90 minus B by 2. This is complementary angle. Secant 90 minus A. Formula is cosecant A. Here A plus B by 2 is cosecant B by 2. Here secant of A plus C by 2. Hence proved. Next problem is C. Here cot 46 by tan 44 minus 3 into secant 20 by cosecant 70 plus 5. This value we have to find out. This type of problems, either numerator or denominator we have to change. Here cot 46 we have to write 90 minus 44. Why? Here tan 44 as it is. Minus 3 into secant 90 minus 70 we can write. 90 minus 70 means 20 it will come. By cosecant 70 plus 5. Here cot 90 minus A formula we have to apply. Cot 90 minus A formula tan A. Tan here 44. 44 by tan denominator as it is 44 minus 3 into secant 90 minus A formula cosecant 70 it will come. Cosecant 70 plus 5. Cosecant 70 cancel. Tan 44, tan 44. This value is 1 minus 1. This value is 3 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Hence proved. Next problem number is D. Here sin 67 cos 23. Before problem, we have numerator and denominator. We changed either numerator or denominator. But here, sin 67 cos 23, two angles are there. In middle multiplication, either one, any one we have to change. Sin 90 minus 23. 90 minus 23 value is 67. Cos 23 plus here cos 90 minus 23. Value is 67. Here sin 23 is equal to, here sin 90 minus A formula we have to apply. Sin 90 minus A, cos A. Cos 23, here cos 23 plus here cos 90 minus A. Value is sin 23. Here already sin 23 we have. Here cos 23, cos 23. 2 times we have cos square 23 plus here sin 23, sin 23. Sin square 23. We can use identity. First identity. Cos square A plus sin square A. Value is 1. Next problem number is E. Here cos theta, cos 90 minus theta. Already they have given complementary angles. Here tan 90 minus theta. Here cos 90 minus theta. Formula is sin theta. Here tan 90 minus theta value is cot theta. Cos theta into cos 90 minus theta value sin theta by here tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Here cos theta into sin theta by cot theta. Cot theta we have to write in terms of sin and cos. Cos theta by sin theta is equal. This type of problem we did in first exercise. Cos theta into sin theta. Here denominator cos theta by sin theta we have to change. We have to shift to numerator. Reciprocal it will come. Sin theta by cos theta. Here cos theta cancel. Remaining sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta.